And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news from the state of Maharashtra, where there's a high drama just ahead of the assembly elections. BJP Neta has been accused of distributing cash. Vinod Tavre gherawed in a Virar hotel, and BVA workers corner the senior BJP Neta. And Tavre has been accused of distributing cash in the hotel in Virar, and there's a Maharakas just a day ahead of polling in Maharashtra. So that's the big update that is coming in from Maharashtra just a day ahead of the big voting day. There's a high drama that's happening. BJP Neta Vinod Tavre has been accused of distributing cash.
नालासोपारा विधानसभा चुनाव क्षेत्र में कार्यकर्ताओं की बैठक चल रही थी। वहां पर चुनाव के दिन की जो आचार संहिता होती है कि जो वोटिंग मशीन है उस पर सील कैसे लगना है, सील आखिर में कैसे होना है, ऑब्जेक्शन अगर लेना है तो क्या करना होता है, ऐसी जो हम 12 बातें बताते हैं वो बताने के लिए मैं पहुंच जाता हूँ। सामने वाला जो पार्टी हमारे मित्र पक्ष है, इतन अप्पा ठाकुर जी है या क्षितिज है, उनके कार्यकर्ताओं को लगा कि हम पैसे बांट रहे हैं। तो चुनाव आयोग उसकी इंक्वायरी करे, पुलिस इंक्वायरी करे, सीसीटीवी फुटेज ले ले, तो उसमें वास्तव जो है, मैं तो 40 साल से पार्टी में हूँ। अप्पा ठाकुर मुझे जानते हैं, क्षितिज मुझे जानते हैं, सब पार्टी जानती है। तो जो वास्तव है वो सबको पता है, और फिर भी चुनाव आयोग ने निष्पक्ष इंक्वायरी करनी चाहिए।
लोकतांत्रिक और संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया में नियम है कि चुनाव के करीब करीब 24 घंटे पहले, 48 घंटे पहले चुनाव प्रचार बंद हो जाते हैं। अब चूंकि 20 तारीख को मतदान होना है तो 18 तारीख को शाम को 5 बजे चुनाव प्रचार बड़े से बड़े नेता, प्रधानमंत्री तक के लिए भी बंद हो जाता है। हम नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं कि विनोद तावड़े जैसे एक बड़े नेता जो बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय महासचिव हैं, महाराष्ट्र से ही आते हैं, पूर्व मंत्री हैं, वो वसई विरार इलाके में क्या कर रहे हैं? चुनाव आयोग कहाँ सो रहा है और पुलिस प्रशासन क्या कर रही है? और ये जो राजनीति है पन्नास खोखे एकदम होके, इससे जनता त्रस्त आ गई है। हम तो नहीं समझ रहे हैं कि ये विनोद तावड़े जी वहाँ क्या करने गए होंगे, क्या वहाँ घूमने गए थे? हो सकता है जांच पे पता चले कि वो पैसे ही बांटने गए थे। अगर ये सब सही पाया जाता है तो ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का चाल चरित्र चेहरा है।
तुळजाभवानीच्या दर्शनाला येताना देखील माझी बॅग तपासली गेली। बॅगेमध्ये काय सापडलं नाही। विनोद तावडेंच्या बॅगेत पैसे सापडले आता तुमच्याकडनं कळलं। तसंच काल अनिल देशमुखांवरती जो हल्ला झाला, हे दगड तपासण्याचं काम कोणी करायचं होतं? म्हणूनच मी आई तुळजाभवानीला साकडं घातलंय की ही सगळी भ्रष्ट आणि दहशतवादी राजवट एकदा या राज्यातून खतम करून टाका।
And my colleague Abhishek is now joining us with more details on this. Abhishek, some very serious allegations coming to the fore against BJP leader just a day ahead of the crucial voting day. Give us more details on this.
Definitely, as we can clearly see in the video that has surfaced now, and in that we can see the party workers of Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, gherawing Vinod Tavre, who is the National General Secretary of the BJP, who had come to the hotel and he was having a meeting with someone. And later on, we can see this chaos coming, visuals of chaos coming from that particular hotel. And then there are direct allegations against Mr. Tavre that he was distributing money. In fact, we also see in one of the videos that Kshitij Thakur, who is an incumbent MLA from there, also leveling same allegations and citing a diary which he claims that belongs to Vinod Tavre, and it has numbers and names of the people whom the money should be distributed. And we can also see the party workers, raising those money in the hand. So definitely these are the serious allegations. And let me tell you, when it comes to Vasai Virar, these areas are the stronghold of Bahujan Vikas Aghadi. Kshitij Thakur and Hitendra Thakur are the incumbent MLA in that area. And definitely one thing that the opposition is questioning, that why and what was the need for Mr. Tavre to be in that area, and what was he doing in that hotel? These are the questions that needs to be answered. And as far as the allegation of distribution of money is concerned, Election Commission should take cognizance of it. That is also being demanded by Bahujan Vikas Aghadi. Kshitij Thakur and Hitendra Thakur are leveling this allegation and demanding action by the Election Commission that they should take cognizance and the truth should come out that what exactly happened in the hotel, who was distributing money, and the serious allegation against senior leader of the BJP, that is Mr. Taure, should come out clear whether he was involved or not, and that Election Commission should take cognizance and necessary action should be initiated is what the opposition, in fact, primarily the Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, both the incumbent MLAs are demanding. So definitely one day ahead of the polls, these visuals on the screen definitely raise the serious question that what is going on and who is responsible for it. And all these answers should come from Election Commission and they should take necessary cognizance. And if found to be true, action must be initiated in this regards. And that's why we're waiting response, official response. In fact, you can also see police personnel in those videos trying to control those party workers who are leveling allegation against Mr. Taure. So why he was there, what was the need for him to be there, and whether he was involved in distribution or not. These are the questions that needs to be answered by the administration and specifically Election Commission, which is in charge currently of the entire administration. Back to you.
Absolutely, Abhishek. A lot of questions need to be answered, but thank you for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this particular story.